fabric that I made some great craft projects out of, some pillows and some gift bags and whatnot. And what is left is this kind of odd L-shaped piece, and then it hit me. This would make a great scarf. So let me show you what I'm gonna do. First thing I'm gonna do is make each leg of it the same width. So I need to trim some of this off. All right, next thing I need to do is make sure that each leg of the L is the same length. So I need to trim just a tiny bit of this end off. Now I have to keep the edges from fraying, but I actually want the ends of each L to have some fringe. So now I'm getting close to the amount of fringe that I want. But I've just been pulling out threads with a pin and kind of unraveling them across. So that's the amount of fringe that I want. So to keep that from unraveling further, I'm just going to sew just a straight line along that edge, and I'm actually going to sew a straight line all the way around just to keep the other edges from fraying too. So we're basically done with our L-shaped scarf. Now I'm going to show you 3 different ways to wear it. First way, put the corner or the point in the front and wrap the tails around. Good? All right. Second way, this is kind of the European way. Grab the corner, keep your hand in there, and do it doubled, and then put the tails through. Okay, last way. Now we're going to put the corner in the back, kind of like a cape, and you can either pull the tail through or throw them over. So there you have it, making your own L-shaped scarf on Jill of All Trades.